Quantum leaping, a process of transforming your life by shifting your thoughts and emotions. This isn't about magically teleporting into a new existence. It's about understanding the profound connection between your inner world and your outer reality. Quantum leaping is rooted in the principles of quantum physics, which reveal that everything in the universe is energy vibrating at different frequencies. Your thoughts, feelings, and beliefs emit specific frequencies that interact with the quantum field, influencing the reality you experience. In essence, you are a co-creator constantly shaping your life through your energetic signature. To initiate a quantum leap, you must first recognize that your thoughts and emotions are not just fleeting experiences. They are quantum forces that shape your reality. By consciously choosing to focus on better feeling thoughts and emotions, you can begin to shift your energetic frequency and attract new opportunities and experiences into your life. It's about aligning your inner world with the reality you desire to create. While you may consciously desire change, your subconscious mind often holds the key to unlocking your full potential. The subconscious is a reservoir of deeply ingrained beliefs, patterns, and programs accumulated throughout your life. These subconscious programs operate automatically, influencing your thoughts, emotions, and behaviors without your conscious awareness. Think of your subconscious mind as a garden. The thoughts and experiences you repeatedly plant in this garden will take root and grow. If you constantly water seeds of fear, doubt, and limitation, you'll cultivate a reality filled with obstacles and challenges. Conversely, if you nurture seeds of love, abundance, and possibility, you'll create a life overflowing with joy, success, and fulfillment. The challenge lies in recognizing and transforming limiting subconscious patterns that may be holding you back. These patterns are often rooted in past experiences, childhood conditioning, or societal beliefs. They can manifest as self-sabotaging behaviors, negative self-talk, or a fear of stepping outside your comfort zone. Meditation offers a powerful pathway to access and reprogram your subconscious mind. Through consistent meditation practice, you can quiet the incessant chatter of the conscious mind and enter a state of deep relaxation and inner stillness. In this state of heightened awareness, you can begin to observe your thoughts and emotions without judgment, gaining valuable insights into your subconscious programming. Meditation allows you to create a space between your thoughts, empowering you to choose which thoughts you want to entertain and empower. By focusing on positive affirmations, visualizations, and gratitude, you can begin to plant new seeds in the garden of your subconscious mind. Over time, these new seeds will take root, transforming your beliefs, perceptions, and ultimately, your reality. Consider meditation as a mental workout for your brain. Just as physical exercise strengthens your body, meditation strengthens your mind, enhancing your ability to focus, regulate your emotions, and cultivate a sense of inner peace. This newfound mental clarity and emotional resilience will empower you to navigate life's challenges with grace and create a reality that aligns with your deepest desires. The idea that thoughts and emotions have a tangible impact on our reality is no longer a philosophical concept. It's supported by a growing body of scientific evidence. Quantum physics has demonstrated that particles exist in a state of potentiality until they are observed, suggesting that consciousness plays a role in shaping reality at its most fundamental level. Moreover, studies in the field of epigenetics have shown that our thoughts, beliefs, and experiences can actually alter our gene expression, influencing our physical health and well-being. This means that you are not a victim of your genes. You have the power to influence your biology through your thoughts, emotions, and lifestyle choices. Furthermore, research on the electromagnetic field of the human body, also known as the biofield, has revealed that our thoughts and emotions generate measurable electromagnetic frequencies. These frequencies can impact our physical health, our interactions with others, and even our external environment. This scientific evidence underscores the profound interconnectedness between our inner and outer worlds. Quantum leaping is not merely about manifesting material possessions or achieving external success. It's about embarking on a journey of inner transformation and awakening to your true divine nature. As you begin to consciously choose your thoughts and emotions, you tap into the infinite creative power within you, aligning yourself with the universal flow of abundance and well-being. This journey requires courage, commitment, and a willingness to step outside your comfort zone. You'll encounter challenges and setbacks along the way, but each obstacle presents an opportunity for growth and expansion. Embrace these challenges as stepping stones on your path to becoming the best version of yourself. Remember, you are not alone on this journey. The universe conspires to support you in your quest for growth and transformation. By aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions with your highest aspirations, you'll unlock the limitless potential within you and create a life filled with purpose, joy, and fulfillment.